Hi guys, I got a quick assignment here for you involving the Bill of Rights. So before you do this assignment, please make sure that if you have not done so already, you go back and you do the online lesson, the video lesson, amendments, and the Bill of Rights video 2. So you need to do that before you tackle this activity because that video talks a lot about freedom of speech, and that's what this court case is all about. So I'm going to have you look at a court case that took place in 1969 involving freedom of speech in schools. And this happened in Des Moines, Iowa, and it involved a teenager named actually two teenagers, John and Mary Beth Tinker. And when you look at Supreme Court cases, they're usually set up so that, let me get my pointer here. They usually look like this. It's somebody versus somebody. Okay, so in this case, Tinker, this guy here, sorry, I keep bouncing from that screen. Tinker sued the school district, Des Moines School District, because he got in trouble for some things. Actually, it was not specifically speech, it was something that he did. And I'm going to have you read that, okay? But something to understand here is that freedom of speech can also apply to your actions. So if you're doing something, in this case, he was dressing a certain way to express an opinion, we still consider that freedom of speech. So you're going to read about this court case. This went all the way to the Supreme Court. And again, that's why the court case has this title. Tinker sued the school district. He took them to court. His case ended up in the Supreme Court because it involved freedom of speech. All right, so you're going to have 3 slides here. The first slide is going to be background information. It's going to tell you what happened with this court case, what was the situation that led up to the court case. The next slide will be the ruling, which means the decision that the Supreme Court made. And then the third slide is going to be impact. In other words, how did this Supreme Court case affect future cases? Because many times with the Supreme Court, what you see is when they make one decision, that's going to affect their future decisions in any new cases that involve the same sort of topic or issue. So you're going to look at all 3 slides and then just answer the questions. And what I am going to also have you do is turn this in as a separate Google form quiz. So you'll actually be answering the questions twice, once on the Edpuzzle video, and then a second time on the Google form. So I would expect that everybody on the Google form gets a 100%, since the Edpuzzle will give you the correct answers once you've worked your way through the questions in the video. All right, see you next time.